What's up, I'm Troubleshoot. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to complete under the collection journal, followed by Horizon Legend, all the way down to skills at the very bottom, the wrong number skill, which requires you to smash a phone box. While it sounds pretty simple, I haven't found one, even though I've ticked off everything else. What you need to do is head across to the world map, and we'll be zooming in on the main Tokyo town down here. Zooming in, you'll see two green parks. We're looking at the northern one up here, and starting at the very south point here, where the road forks around the park, we'll teleport to this exact spot. And from here, immediately towards the road that forked into two, so down here, you can see on the left, we've got a phone booth. So I'll open up the map before we smash it. We're right here, as you can see. Bam, there you go. It's ticked off wrong number. Now, if we head down this right street here along the park, you'll find a little bit further on in this direction, by the next turn here, another phone box immediately in front of us here if you and a friend are doing it. Opening up the map, this is the exact spot we're at, and we're able to smash it and get it ticked off for someone else as well. You should find a couple more around here. I'm pretty sure near my other forks, but those are the two easiest ones to get to. If you break both of them, you can always return here later after teleporting away, and it should have respawned. Anyways, that's it. Hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. Mine's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.